What is absolute path and relative path in shell command line? So here I'm in this location. I'm gonna start bash command. So I will call ls to list all the files and directory in here. I will call tree to list a tree in here, and I will call cd ... to step back one step to get to the mother folder of this current working directory, and call the trees again. It's a bit long for me, so I'm gonna call ls. So here in ls I got a couple of folder, couple of files in here. Absolute path and relative path, what is the difference? So for example, now I know that this is my location, which is in mouse point, which is similar to my computer. Then D drive, which is my D drive, or D partition I would say. And then another folder, subfolder, and then this current working folder or directory. So what if I type in cd and then I put in mnt.d and .p, that one. What if I type in that one? What I'm gonna get if I type in this one? Type in and press enter. It's gonna say to me that no such file or directory. But if I, instead of doing that, I type in, I put in from the beginning here, I put in a / and then I press enter, and it's gonna bring me to that location, which is that now become the current working directory. Why is that? The reason why, because shell command treat anything you put in without, if you put in a path but without the / it's gonna treat as relative path. But if you put in a path and you put in the / style, it's gonna treat this as an absolute path. So that's the reason why when I run the first command, which is this command, I'm gonna get an error, because it consider as relative path, and it's gonna look a folder names like this mnt inside this current working directory, and it's not gonna work. So that is the difference between relative path and absolute path in shell command.